In a dark, cold world, ruled and dominated by sin, it's easy to conform to Earth's standards and attempt to fit in. We wake up each morning, it's a struggle to keep going, go through our daily routine, but it's all just a reflexive motion. Then we're about to go walk out the door, ready to go face the world, but wait, something's missing. Camouflage. Into the world we blend in, give into the world's sin, put on a mask covering the image of God. Then in hopes to seek approval, we do what the world do, though we don't feel right. Something's groaning inside. Then to cope with the discomfort, we seek sedatives to comfort, but a gaping hole keeps on growing within. A hole drugs and lust cannot fill, euphoria lasts temporarily still. Answer to the dilemma cannot be found in sin. See, true joy is what God provides to His children who seek His eyes through agape love that cannot be found in this world. Unconditional love we don't deserve, it's just because we don't deserve it, so it's Him that we should seek to please and serve. As the servants we are called to do His will, restore the fallen who establish a corrupt kingdom on this earth. Lead them to Christ whose life He gave so that we all can all be saved, not dead in sin, but now alive with rebirth. Take back the kingdom the devil stole, rescue the souls trapped in the hole so their eternal lives won't be spent in hell. So let's break out of conformity's jail so that in heaven we can dwell. But in order to do that, we must rebel.
What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Those seeking the answers of life,